What's up guys, welcome to your 51st Android app development tutorial. This is the part 18 tutorial of make your Android app, and we will discuss how we are going to design our layout with the help of the linear layout of questions.xml that we created in the previous tutorial. Now let's proceed. Now, when we will complete our designing of our layout of questions.xml with the help of linear layout, then it will appear somewhat like this. Now please don't bother about the custom title bar at the top. We will look into it after designing the layout of this question.xml. Now in the questions.xml, our layout will look like this, but when you will run your application, then it is going to appear quite different than what you are looking here. Now suppose when user click on this simple question button, then this questions.xml will be converted into this layout. Now you can see at the top we are having a custom title bar, and this is a button. On the press of this button, it is going to read the question for the user, and it will also read the answer for the user. So it will let your application speak and interact with the user of the application. Now here you can see the question text view in the runtime is converted into the question, and here you can see this is the question number 4 out of total of 50 questions, and this answer text view has been converted into an answer. Right now similarly when user will click on this tough question button, then in that case this questions.xml dynamically converted into this layout of tough questions. Now here guys, you can see the question text view has been converted into this question, and this is question number 8 that you can see here out of 29 questions, and here the answer will appear like this. Press answer button for the answer. Now when the user will press this answer button, then this text view will be converted into the answer, right? Likewise here I have already pressed this answer button, that's why press answer button for the answer has been converted into this answer, right? So we are going to design a single questions.xml, and it is going to act as an layout for both simple questions and also for tough questions. So we are not going to design the two layouts for two different activities, right? Now let me show you how we are going to design this layout. Now the purple box that you can see here is a parent linear layout. It is actually a vertical linear layout, right? The green box that you can see at right hand side of the screen is actually a linear layout with a vertical orientation. Now inside this linear layout vertical, we are having a red box that represents two text views and a textured background, right? Now what is this red box all about? This red box is nothing but the linear layout horizontal with two text view. Fine. So this purple box represents this red box out here containing the two text view with a horizontal orientation. Now here you can see a middle red box. Now this middle red box is another linear layout with the orientation vertical. Now guys, this is the middle body representing the linear layout with vertical orientation. Now here you can see a text view which is a questions, and another text view which is displaying the answer. So as of now, just know about it. This red box at the middle is linear layout vertical with a text view for questions. Now this answer is actually a text view, but it is present inside the scroll view. Now why I am using this scroll view in this linear layout vertical, I will explain it in the next slide. So as of now, just know we are having the green linear layout. Inside that we are having a linear layout horizontal with two text view XX and YY, and below that we are having a linear layout vertical with a text view for question and with a scroll view having the text view for the answer, right? Now at the bottom you can see there are actually three buttons. This left arrow is nothing but a button, this A button is actually a button, and this right arrow button is also actually a button. Now this red box at the bottom is nothing but a linear layout with horizontal orientation which contains the three buttons: left arrow, right arrow, and this A button. So in this way you can see how I have differentiated each part of this linear layout so that it will be quite easy for you to design the layout for the questions.xml, which I'm going to show you the live demo in the next tutorial. Now here when the user will click on the tough question, then this screen will appear in front of the user with a question, with the question number and out of how many questions, right? Now if user will press on the right button, then it is going to change to 9 out of 29, and this question will also change. Now when user will press this answer button, which is actually this button, then in that case the image of this button will change to this. Now this is happening just because of these selectors which we already used in the front page.xml, and I have shown you how to use selector in two separate videos in the tutorial number 41 and 42. Please go back and clear your concept about the selectors. Now as soon as this button is pressed, then it will be converted into what? This image, and simultaneously the user, this text view press answer button for the answer will be dynamically changed to the answer of this question, right? Now here I have used a scroll view. Now why I have used the scroll view? Just because in case the answer is quite long, then user won't be able to see whole answer in this small box. So for that case I am using a scroll view so that user can scroll down and check out rest of the sentence. These three sentences are hidden right here. User is not able to watch what is written below it. So that is why I have used a scroll view so that user can view the whole answer in this layout. So in this way we are going to design our layout of questions.xml in the next video. So meanwhile, if you liked what you saw, please subscribe to my channel and please leave a comment below my video. This is Shreks from Smartherd signing off, and have a good day. Thank you.